I'm Mike Van Bavel, president of Dynamax. We have moved to a new office here at the Wet Center. Our company, Dynamax, has been in business for 25 years, and we originated in Houston, Texas. So Dynamax specializes in electronics for monitoring water use in plants, monitoring water status, and how we use that water in crop production. Dynamax has built instruments for water monitoring for the last 25 years, and now we're introducing these instruments into the commercial market, into the California market especially, with our new office at the Wet Center. So we make sap flow sensors. This is an example of a sensor that wraps around the plant and also takes readings from that plant and actually tells us how much water it's using. So it's like a collar that goes around the plant stem. We make large ones, we make small ones for different sized plants. And these sensors actually are monitoring the health of the plant and monitoring while it's monitoring the water use. All right, here we are in the almond orchard at the CSU Fresno office. Dynamax has installed sap flow sensors up in the branches of the tree so we can monitor the water use in real time and to determine if these plants are getting stressed or not. Since it's a heat-based sensor, we put all this insulation around the sensor to prevent the outside heat from causing problems with the readings. Inside the insulation is a sap flow sensor which has a heater strip, and it also has temperature sensors inside to monitor the amount of heat that's absorbed by the sap, and so that we can record the flow rate of the water going through the plant. This is a sap flow sensor that's mounted on a glass rod. It's starting from here. This is a heater that wraps around the plant and puts a small amount of heat into the stem. And then we have layers. We strap it onto the stem of the plant with a flexible strap, and then we put insulation around it to protect the area that's being tested. It measures the sap flow by monitoring the temperature below to above this heater. As the water flows by, it raises it to a certain amount of it raises it by a fixed amount of temperature. So it's very similar to the blood pressure or the blood flow in a human being. We have to monitor that for its health. We do that on plants because water carries nutrients. It also carries the lifeblood of the plant, which is water.